Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Kasori 2.1 quart mini air fryer. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box. This had some paper around it, this little tray. And we'll measure everything here real quick. So it stands right at 10.5 inches by, about 7.5. And front to back, you're looking at about 10. Now the cord is 40 inches long and it's 2-prong. Now around back, that's where all the hot air is going to come out. So you cannot place this right next to the wall. You do have to leave about 4 to 5 inches. So here's the tray. It's a 6-inch by about 6 1/8. It's not a perfect square. And depth-wise, 3 inches. Now this has some arrows on it. So we've got the arrows. You're going to line up the arrows with the tray. So don't put it in, it won't fit like that. Leave these on here. These little rubber things here, you can cook with these. These are to help prevent it from scratching the surface. That's like a non-stick surface. So putting that tray in can be just a little tricky, but it stays in. So if we make some French fries, the tray is not going to fall out when we dump the French fries out. So inside here, there's a heating element. There's the heating element and a fan. The fan's going to blow, and that heating element's going to heat up, and the hot air is going to come directed right down onto it. Now this is 120 volts, 60 hertz, 900 watts of power. Okay, I've got it plugged in. That is like a soft orange. That's the power button. Press it. Now we've got air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. So to change the mode, you're going to press this button right here. Air fry, bake, roast, reheat. So let's go back to air fry. Now you're going to alternate between temperature and time. So when you press that, the temperature is flashing. You can go up to 400 degrees and set the temperature. Press it again. Now the minutes are flashing, plus or minus. When you're all ready, simply just press the play button and it starts working. And it's not very loud at all. Let's open it up. So it shuts down when you open it up, but as soon as you put it back, it picks right back up where it left off. Now this is dishwasher safe. You can put this and that tray in the dishwasher, but you're just supposed to lightly wipe this off. Not supposed to put any water around the base unit. And if you want, you can come up here and change the temperature and time while it's working. And then it will memorize it, and I can even lower the temperature time. And again, if you want to stop it yourself, just press that. That pauses it, then I could turn it off and start all over. On, mode, temperature, time, and start. Very, very, very simple to use. I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.